Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman, session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabi,
Order please, order.
Kaya yan po lahat na yan ay napagtagpi-tagpi namin. So, kaya that would explain kung bakit protektado si Michael Yang kahit na may report itong si Colonel Asierto. Tapos hindi lang po yan, nung nilabas po yung report na yon, sa sobrang pagproteksyon nila kay Michael Yang, yung mismong gumawa ng investigasyon, yun yung gustong ipapatay at sinampahan ng kaliwat kanang kaso. Kaya makita natin dun sa mga drug lord na hindi kasabwat sa sindikato ni Duterte, ano siya, porsigido siyang patayin. Pero doon sa kanilang grupo, itong mga ito na mention, Michael Yang, Charlie Tan at Sammy Oy, protektado hanggang ngayon. Ni nga si yung PDEA director ni Duterte na si Wilkins Villanueva, ni hindi nga masama sa drug list hanggang after noong 2022 si Michael Yang. Yun po ang dahilan kasi binilin po sa kanya yan ni Duterte.
kung totoo. Ngayon, yung narration dito ni hindi ko kilala itong taong to, forgot his name. Your Honor, if there is an iota of truth, ayuta lang, baski konti lang, you can find out, may nilagay siya ng record. Now, I'm willing to execute an affidavit or kayo na lang to summon the banks pursuant to my waiver. Kung may totoo lang maski isa, I will hang myself in front of you. You can summon, I will sign a waiver, all banks. Pati yung World Bank ng Amerika. Kung may isang totoo lang nakiting, I will resign and I will ask my daughter to resign and everybody in the family. That is my guarantee. And I will hang myself. In the same manner na kung magbigti ako si Trillanes, dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
Basis ko nung plunder case na final ko kay Duterte noong 2016 at ito po ay inimbestigahan ng Ombudsman at ang Deputy Ombudsman Arthur Carandang and I think the Quadcom can invite him. Siya ang nag-conduct ng investigation, humingi siya ng dokumento sa AMLAC at kinonfirm niya, and because of that tinanggal ni Duterte si Deputy Ombudsman. Now, aside from that, so pwede natin, suggested by Chairman Paduano, na yung AMLAC mismo, unless, since hindi naman na siya incumbent, pwedeng ma-access yun with the waiver. Pero we've been there before. Nagsabi na yan siya na magbibigay siya ng waiver. Puro bluff yan, pero hindi. Kaya nga, mas maganda kung ma-draft na po natin yan ngayon para papirmahan niya yan dito, no? Para wala ng alibay. Pero ito po, I'll be presenting later on, Mr. Chairman, a video of his actual admission of these accounts. No? So, ito naman pong mga cheque na in-encash, in-extract lang namin from that long list. Mga managers checks po yan, hindi nawawala sa system po yan. And later on, exempted sa impeachment cases, kaya pwede po lumabas yan, ipepresenta po yan. That's the smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte crime family.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Mr. Chairman.
I'll give you, sasampalin ko sa
Mr. Chairman, session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabi,
Order please, order.
Please observe proper decorum. We are in a committee hearing. We have already stressed from the very beginning that the proper rules, decorum, will be implemented. regardless of who you are. Regardless of who you are. We live by a set of rules in this committee, and those set of rules will be followed, and those set of rules will be implemented.
If I may.
Wait, session, it's still suspended. It's still suspended.
What it said.
Hindi,
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
wala naman.
Ano yan? Ngayon na.
Wala pong ganunan.
Chairman.
I'll give you, ano, sasampalin ko sa
Chairman. Session suspended.
Session suspended.
Sabi.
Ulo muna, huwag muna tatawid. Wala na muna tatawid. Ulo.
Can we please observe proper decorum? We are in a committee hearing. We have already stressed from the very beginning that the proper rules, decorum, will be implemented regardless of who you are. Regardless of who you are. We live by a set of rules in this committee, and those set of rules will be followed, and those set of rules will be implemented.
If I may.
Wait, session, it's still suspended. It's still suspended.
If I may, Mr. Chair.